All right, there's a little challenge which we want to take now in the select statement. Uh, um, Along our courses, you'll be coming across some challenges while we take our classes, and this is the structure of how the challenges will always be like. As a data analyst or using a database to filter out information, we may have the business situation where a business question will be asked, and we also have the challenge questions too, and then we have the expected answers. And then I'll possibly be providing with you with hints on the possible solution, what you should be expecting, and then I'll give you hints on what maybe the keywords to use for you to get the solution. And also, I'll be providing with a solution to our challenge question. So this is going to be the challenge structures for the challenges we'll be coming across. Now, we have a situation that we want to send out a promotional email to our existing customers. Let's take, for example, I've I have my own e-commerce website, and I have customers that purchased my product. And I want to now send promotional emails to these my existing customers. Remember, while they purchase products on my platform or my e-commerce store, their details are sent to my database. And as a maybe an SQL data analyst, maybe I'm asked to filter out information from this database, and I'm asked to use the select statement to grab the first and the last names of every customer and also their email addresses. Maybe this should have been, you must have been presented with such a challenge like this, maybe in your place of work. Use a select statement to grab the first and last names of every customer and their email addresses. Now, this should be your expected answer using our DVD rentals that we have already imported to our PG admin. Your case may not be different. If you're using a higher version of the PG admin, you may not be getting the exact order of this output, right? So don't worry about that. And these are some of the hints. Use the customer table. You have to use the customer table. And also you can use the table drop down to view that what columns are available. Remember that our PG admin has a lot of, I think about 15 columns to say, or 15 tables. And since you are going to be using the customer table, for us to know the columns available in the customer table, you have to use the drop down to view that. And also, you can also use the select asterisk from customer to see all the columns. So these are the hints which you need to take. So you can pause the video now and get your hands dirty on code so that we see your results. Right. Now I'll be moving over to our PG admin to solve this. Upcoming. Okay, let's get over to our PG admin, and from our DVD rentals, make sure you right click on it and click on the query tools to display your query editor. Now, once you've done that, we want to first of all select to display the whole, like using asterisk from our table called customer. Now, press your F5 to execute this query. And let's also get back to our data here, okay? Let's get back to our tables. Let's view our tables, and let's go to the customer table, and then let's see the available columns here. We have about 10 columns here. Now, it says that we should get only the first name, the last name, and the emails of our customers so that we can possibly send promotional updates to these customers. So what we have to do, we have to select 3 columns from the table customer. So first of all, we use the first name. Remember that the order is very important. The order in which you type this is going to come up here in our output. So if you happen to start with last name is going to come up. Now let's say last name and then email from customer. Let's run this. Right, so we've gotten the first name, last name, and email of the customers we have. So this is basically how to use the select statement to filter out the necessary information.